Hi, I'm Carl with Apt, and in this video we're going to talk about how to connect your NFC-equipped device to the Bose soundbar ST300SB. The first step is to make sure you have NFC enabled on your source, typically a smartphone or tablet. This process will vary from model to model, but the language will be pretty similar. For example, on my Google Pixel 2 phone, I go into Settings by pressing this little gear icon and then go into the Connected Devices category. Once I'm in this menu, I have the option to turn NFC on by pressing the little toggle. Once it's on, you're ready to go. Now make sure you have your soundbar plugged in and turned on. And here's the easy part. All you have to do is hold your device up to the NFC logo on the speaker for a moment, press yes once you have the option to confirm you want to connect, and there, it's connected. Now on this particular speaker, the NFC logo is on a sticker that you probably removed right away and threw out, so for anyone looking for the location, it's right above the Bose logo on top of the speaker. Also, you might have to move the phone around a little to make sure the NFC tags line up to read one another, but overall, as you can see, it's a super simple process to make the connection between your device and the Bose soundbar. And this is a similar process really for anything that uses NFC, so you can try it out on other products you might have with that feature as well. If you're still having trouble, don't forget anything you purchase here at Apt or apt.com comes with free award-winning lifetime technical support, so be sure to call in and speak with one of our experts. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to get updates whenever we post new content.